Hands on the Vivo X100 Pro. This phone rocks a massive 1-inch main camera, co-engineered with Zeiss imaging technology. High-performance Tek Dimensity 9300, and 16GB expandable RAM. Here's what you get in the pack. A 100 watts charging brick, a USB Type-C cable, a SIM eject tool, a phone case, quick start guide and a warranty card. The Vivo X100 Pro runs on Android version 14 with FunTouch OS 14 and octa-core CPU. The internal storage is 512GB. The triple-back camera setup has a mirror-finished stainless steel enclosure with premium sunburst texture, and protected with rounded Gorilla Glass Victus. All lenses are 50 megapixels. The front has a 32-megapixel selfie camera. This device is IP68 rated for water resistance. It has dual nano SIM card slots, and supports 5G network. The battery is a 5,400 mAh battery with 100 watts flash charge, and 50 watts wireless charging. The 6.78 inches Full HD display can hit up to 3000 nits peak brightness and has a 120 Hz refresh rate. It has an optical fingerprint sensor for security. The Vivo X100 Pro has 4 color variants: Asteroid Black, Star Trail Blue, Sunset Orange and White. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about this device. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more. Bye.